Hi guys, this is Suraj Kumar here and it's my group Computer Tech. So this group is all about like gaming, hardware unboxing, product reviews, performance benchmarks and one more thing, giveaways. And second thing guys, one of the most important reason to make for me to make this channel is that I wanted everyone to game. Like in India, most of the peoples and most of the guys cannot afford to game these days and they cannot afford a high-end gaming PCs, but everyone most of the age group from 16 and 25, they all wanted to game. So the major reason I'm making this group to provide each and every guy with the cheapest PC parts on which they can play games. So I also have business of second-hand gaming PCs parts, not just gaming PCs part, any parts of from PC like motherboard, RAM, hard disk, each and everything I can avail at a very good prices that you guys cannot get in the market, in the offline market. And second thing, right now I only deals in second-hand parts, not in brand new parts. So I'm looking forward to go for the brand new also, but right now my main aim is for the second hand because everyone can afford them and they get good value for money in second hand market. So here we can finish it up. It's the introduction video for my channel. Keep subscribing, like my channel, and thanks a lot guys.